In this video, we're going to talk about how to create lookalike audiences in Facebook. So the first thing that we want to do here is go to the Create Audience button. And then we're going to have this drop down right here. And then we want to go to Lookalike Audience. So let's say that I created a custom audience of people who watched the video at least 75%, okay? I have a custom audience of those individuals. And so after I create that custom audience, I can then go here to the lookalike audience and create a lookalike audience of that video view audience that I created of those people who watched a specific video for 75%. Let's say that I uploaded a customer list and I created a custom audience from that email list. I can then go in here and use that custom email audience that I created and create a lookalike audience from that. So what it's allowing us to do here is create audiences that are similar to what the actual seed audience is about. And so here we can see we have 1%, 2%. And so as we move up and we progress, the higher the percentage, the less in common that audience is going to have. So for example, here with 1, 2, and 3%, these are going to be the most in common to our actual seed audience. Let's say that we have an audience here of the video views of 75% for a specific video. If we create a lookalike audience at 1%, this is going to be the closest as far as the commonalities with the actual seed audience. If we go to 2%, it's going to be less in common, right? And then as we go up, it's going to expand wider and wider and wider. However, these are still great audiences to have because they're similar to what we have as far as the seed audience. So we can create very large audiences from our seed audiences and start expanding very, very wide. Let's take a look at some of the tips here. So as you can see here, Facebook says, find new people who are similar to your existing customers. Just like I was mentioning, the lookalike audiences allow us to reach new people who are very, very similar, who also may be interested in our particular product or service and are very similar to our seed audience. And then right here, create a lookalike of your most valuable customers, right? If we have that customer email list that we can use to create a custom audience, we can then create that lookalike audience of that initial customer list. So very, very powerful here, where we can create a ton of lookalike audiences. And it's just a matter of creating our custom audience first and then coming in here and creating that lookalike audience. So that's going to be here for the lookalike audiences, and we'll see you on the next one.